It's a hell of a staircase.
You doing gutters?
Huh?
Gutters?
No. I'm putting the siding up, so I need to move this away from the house so the gutter, so the siding can go up behind the gutter.
Are you working on the whole house?
No. I'm doing the siding for now. Put the door in.
Doing a full deal here.
Hey, where's the boss man at?
Tony?
Yeah.
I don't know. I called him with this.
Yeah, where's Tony? You guys do rehabs, full rehabs? Is that what you guys do? You guys do rehabs?
I just clean up messes for them, whatever.
Oh, you're a demo guy?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
You want me to call them?
No, you're all right, man. This is the demo guy.
Man, they're cleaning this whole thing out and putting all this shit in here. Like, everything's real, even the joists and all that.
They're gonna lose money on this.
I mean, but they got one to invest in this house. They put a lot of money into a house like this, like a family house, maybe something like that. But there's a lot of money in a house like this.
Yeah.
Termites and all that, but they put everything in.
Yeah, everything needs to be done, huh?
It's a big job, man. I don't know why they're improving that house that much. This must be city money, dude. It's the only thing I could think.
This is a $20,000 pour right here.
I mean, it's probably close.
15, 20.
Probably 15. Don't fall on us, dude.
You think they got insurance? Hey, Tony, come back here.
Put a lot of money into that.
That looks scrambled the way they were doing it, too. Did it?
Yeah.
Like framing in the fireplace?
Disorganized.
They got drywall sitting in there before they're even done doing demo.
Yeah.
It's like, man, that you don't
We
want
got drywall before they've even plumbed it.
Well, yeah, and then shoot, there's gaps in the floor 6-8 inches wide.
Why are you doing the driveway the first thing, you know?
¿Cómo está?
¿Dónde está el jefe? No aquí. Necesito más personas para pintura mi casas. ¿De dónde eres? El Salvador, México. Guatemala. Guatemala, Chapín? Mucho gusto. Me llamo Troy. ¿Jefe no aquí?
No, mi jefe no.
¿Tu jefe? Sí. Sí. ¿Teléfono? You do work, right?
Yes.
Pintura,
Siding,
framing,
window,
window, floor,
tile.
tile. Call tu número. All right, mucho gusto. We just got done looking at a bunch of houses. You can see how we dealt it. We go and find construction workers. We go and find other people. That's how you do it in real estate. If you're trying to find construction workers and you're going to Home Depot, that might be an okay place, but the better way to find them is at your job, right? You can see the work that they're actually doing. Or you can go and see, hey, touch it, see it. Are they doing good stuff? You can see one of the jobs we looked at, the work was crap. We're not gonna ask them for their number, but a lot of the guys, they do good quality work and you can use them. If you're looking to get started investing in real estate, we've got all free resources here on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram. Give me a follow, give me a share, give me a like. If you're looking to get a mentor and you need some help, just like Casey, join the program or join our free Facebook group. We'd love to help you out. All right, Casey, what'd you learn today?
I learned some things that I should do, some things that I shouldn't do, some things that I should watch out for, learned some things that I should be more conservative on, not spending the money or just cleaning up.
You want to make everything perfect, right?
Yeah.
Don't make everything perfect. Somebody's gonna trash it. Not everybody's like you rent to. Casey's one of my students. You got your first flip going on right now.
Yep.
You're under contract. Walk us through that deal real quick.
This was an MLS deal. It was just something that I found in my small rural town. Threw it on the class with Troy and the group, and we walked through it, and it was a home run, and we walked through the building and did a video, and Troy was like, don't be scared of it. Don't be a sissy, just buy it.
I don't think I called you a sissy, but I think what happened was when you first walked through it, you thought it was too big for you.
I did. I thought it was too big.
And so you're like, I'm out.
Yeah.
And I was like, yo, there's too much profit in here. You can't do it. And you're like, no, man, everything is wrong with this house. Now, after walking through a bunch of those houses, was that house that bad?
No, not near as bad.
Would you suggest that other people do the exact same thing you did?
And join the class?
Yeah.
Yeah, absolutely. It's just good to have mentorship, good to have somebody to be holding you accountable, right? And just say, hey, if I can do this, you can do this. And that's what Troy's done.
What'd you pay to get into the program?
Just $7,000.
What are you gonna make on this first flip?
Roughly around 100 grand.
100 grand. So pretty good return on your investment?
I'd say for 60, 90 days, yeah, pretty good.
It's actually, we extended it to 6 months. Anyways, Casey made himself available and said, hey, can I roll with you? And I said, let's go. We're in Kansas City, so pretty cool. Glad you learned a lot. Glad you joined the program, and we'll talk to you on the next one. Peace.